Hello, my amazing friends. There was a time I couldn't speak up, not because I had nothing to say, but because I didn't know how. I remember sitting in class, ideas burning inside me, but fear held my tongue. That silence, it hurt more than any mistake I could have made. But that was the moment I knew. I needed to find my voice. Your voice is not just sound, it's your story, it's your strength. Whether it's through words, through painting, through music, or speaking English out loud for the very first time, your voice can move hearts, your voice can change lives, even if it shakes, even if it's quiet, even if it's different. It matters. What lights you up inside? Maybe it's dance, maybe it's teaching, maybe it's helping others, or simply being heard. When you speak from passion, your voice becomes unstoppable, not perfect, powerful, because it's yours. Learning English isn't just grammar, it's courage, it's connection. So, say it. This is who I am. This is what I believe. This is what I love. Use phrases like, I feel strongly about one thing that inspires me. In my heart, I know. Don't wait for fluency. Start with honesty. When you share your truth, you give others permission to do the same. That's how we build bridges. That's how we inspire change. Your voice has power. Your words have purpose. And the world is waiting. You're not just learning English. You're building a life-changing skill. So speak, mess up, speak again. Every time you do, you get stronger. Because finding your voice is the beginning of everything. Now it's your turn. What's holding you back from using your voice? Drop a comment below, even just one sentence, and let the world hear you. And if this video spoke to something inside you, if it made you feel seen or stronger or just not alone, hit that subscribe button. We tell stories that teach English, but more importantly, they help you find yourself. Every video is a step toward the real you, and trust me, the best version of you is worth the journey. Learn English, discover your passion, find your voice, because you got this. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video, and remember, the best is yet to come.